Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will compare Notion versus Xtiles, two leading productivity applications. We'll dive into their core functionalities, explore their distinct user interfaces, and identify their ideal use cases. My aim is to help you understand which platform aligns best with your personal or team's organizational style, ensuring you make an informed decision for your workflow. Let's uncover the strengths of each tool. Notion stands out as a powerful, all-in-one workspace, excelling in complex project management and detailed data organization. Its robust databases offer customizable properties and multiple views, like tables, boards, and calendars, making it perfect for tracking intricate projects. Notion also provides an extensive library of templates for various needs, from content calendars to goal tracking. Its strong collaboration features, including real-time editing and comments, foster seamless teamwork across departments. Xtiles offers a highly visual and intuitive experience, making it a fantastic choice for brainstorming and creative organization. Its unique tile-based interface allows for flexible, drag-and-drop content arrangement, appealing greatly to visual thinkers. You can easily customize layouts and create visually engaging notes and projects. Xtiles also provides seamless real-time collaboration, with features like instant editing and reactions, making it excellent for teams who prioritize a clear, visual overview of their work. Ultimately, your choice between Notion and Xtiles depends on your specific needs. If you require powerful databases, extensive project management, and robust team collaboration for complex workflows, Notion is likely your best fit. However, if you prefer a highly visual, flexible, and intuitive workspace for brainstorming and simpler task management, Xtiles will shine. Both platforms offer generous free plans, so I encourage you to try them out and see which one truly enhances your productivity.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.